Hi guys and welcome. So today I'm going to show you how I get into the car. Here is my hand controls. I do have a push pat hand control in this car, so you push to brake and then you pat down for it to accelerate. So I do have a cloth that I put on the side of the car so it stops it from getting scratched when I put my chair in, as you can see. So firstly I like to take off the left tyre. I tilt it up, pull it off and pull it on the passenger side. Then I will tilt the chair upwards and take the right tyre off. And while I do that, I do try to hold on to the chair from dropping, so it's just easier for me to be able to lift it up and put it into the passenger side. I do also have another vehicle with a different setup. If you would like to see that, let me know and I can definitely record it and put it on to show you guys. Hi guys and welcome to another Keep It Wheels video. This video is going to be a special video. Today does mark 34 years of me being in a wheelchair. 34 years today I was hit by a car and became a C6 quadriplegic. So I just thought, why not spend the morning at a car show? So let's do it. That's it. I love one of these. I don't know how I'll go in this.
Yeah.
So as you can see, we are back home. To get out of the car, I do the opposite. So I do put down the cloth, and I get my chair out. So when I get my chair out, I do like to just hold on to it again. This just makes it easier for me to put the axles into the tyre and to push it in while it's up in the air. And then I just drop it down and make sure it leans against the door a bit so that it doesn't fall. And when I put the left tyre in, I just tilt it up a bit so that I can get the axles in. And once that's done, I'll just spin it across and transfer across onto my wheelchair. And with me transferring across to my chair, this brings us to another end of an episode. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.